I'm going to click on this plus sign to start a new project. I will name it as demo. Now when I name it as demo, I get my whiteboard where I will be making an animation on save water, save life. First of all, I want a text for save water, so I will add it and I will change its size by clicking over here. I will set it to 250. Then I will change its color to blue. So I'm changing its color to blue. After placing it to the top, I will play the animation. You can see how it looks like initially. Okay, well, now let's move towards adding sticker by clicking here. Let's go to Giphy and search for water. So when I search for water, I get this very good Giphy over here. I will insert this Giphy just below the text. Well, now let's add another text for save life. So I will quickly type it. Size should be 150 and color should be green. Yes, save water blue, save life green. So its color should be green, and I am also gonna change its font by clicking over here. I will choose this font. Now you can see delay and pause. If I delay it to 2, that means there will be a delay of 2 seconds before this save life comes into the picture. And if I set pause to 2, that means after this has come in the picture, there will be a pause for 2 seconds and anything can come after those 2 seconds only. So that is what delay and pause are meant for. Now I will add another sticker, and this time a sticker of earth looking lively. I will place it to the middle. I will reduce its size. Well, now I'm gonna add 2 more stickers, but this time from the top. I will go to weather and I will choose the cloud, this third cloud over here. So I will insert it and I will place it to the right. I will choose the same cloud again and place it to the left. Yes, I have placed it. Now I'm going to tell you about background. I will click over here and I will choose the yellow color, and see the background has been changed. So let me play this whole animation for you now. Well, I feel this is very cool, but if you want to change the hand or the marker, or you wanna something else, you can just go to this hand option over here and choose for different hands that are available. I will choose this animated hand. It looks cool to me. So yes, I've chosen this and you can see this. Now I am going to add another page of this animation so that there are no confusions left in your mind. I've added a text. I will add another sticker so you can see, and I am gonna play it now. So you can see first this page is completed and then it gets rolled out and the second page comes in. To add music, you have to click on this music here and choose any music from your device. I have chosen my music. Now I am going to save my clip and it must be saved in my gallery. If not in yours, you should try with this here sign above. Well, now let's look at a wonderful clip with music.
So guys, if you want to do some experimenting with the videos, adding some voiceover or some special voice effects, some intros or outros, you can do the same by using video editing app KineMaster. The tutorials for the same have been published and I am providing you with the cards and the link in the comment box. Hope you like my videos. If, then like the video, subscribe to my channel, share the video as much as you can, and do provide me with your valuable comments. Thanks for watching.